What's up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful spreadsheet and project management tool that can be used to help you get organized and stay on top of your work. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of Smartsheet, I want to address a common question that I get asked a lot. What can I do in Smartsheet without a license? The short answer is, quite a lot. Smartsheet offers a free trial that allows you to use the full functionality of the tool for 30 days. And even after your trial is over, you can still use Smartsheet for free, but with some limitations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the most out of Smartsheet without a license. I'll cover topics like creating and editing sheets, using formulas and functions, and collaborating with others. So, if you're looking for a powerful and flexible spreadsheet tool that you can use for free, then Smartsheet is definitely worth checking out. Let's get started. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based spreadsheet and project management tool that can be used to organize and manage your work. It offers a variety of features, including drag-and-drop interface. This makes it easy to create and edit sheets and columns. Formula and function support. This allows you to perform complex calculations and analysis on your data. Collaboration. This allows you to share sheets with others and work on them together in real time. Automation. This allows you to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails and creating reports. How to get started with Smartsheet. To get started with Smartsheet, you can create a free account at https://www.smartsheet.com. Once you've created an account, you can start using Smartsheet immediately. What can you do in Smartsheet without a license? Here are some of the things you can do in Smartsheet without a license. Create and edit sheets. You can create sheets of any size and shape. You can also add columns, rows, and cells to your sheets. Use formulas and functions. You can use a variety of formulas and functions to perform calculations on your data. Collaborate with others. You can share sheets with others and work on them together in real time. Automate tasks. You can create rules to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending emails and creating reports. Limitations of the free version. The free version of Smartsheet has some limitations. For example, you can only have up to 3 sheets and 200 rows per sheet. You also cannot use certain advanced features, such as automation and custom reports. Upgrade to a paid plan. If you need more features or storage, you can upgrade to a paid plan. There are a variety of paid plans available, depending on your needs. How to get the most out of Smartsheet without a license. Here are some tips for getting the most out of Smartsheet without a license. Use the free trial. The free trial allows you to use the full functionality of Smartsheet for 30 days. This is a great way to get a feel for the tool and see if it's right for you. Start with a simple sheet. Don't try to do too much at once. Start with a simple sheet and gradually add more features and functionality as you get more comfortable with the tool. Use templates. Smartsheet offers a variety of templates that you can use to get started quickly. Watch tutorials. There are many tutorials available online that can help you learn how to use Smartsheet. Ask for help. If you're having trouble with something, don't hesitate to ask for help from the Smartsheet community. Smartsheet is a powerful and flexible spreadsheet tool that can be used to help you get organized and stay on top of your work. While the free version has some limitations, it's still a great way to get started with the tool. If you're looking for a powerful and affordable spreadsheet tool, I highly recommend checking out Smartsheet. If you're interested in learning more about Smartsheet, please click on the link below to sign up for a free trial.